Senator JB, excuse me. Matanong ko lang, bakit ba kayo nakatalukbong? Hindi naman kayo testigo. Matanong ko lang, bakit po kailangan naka-hood kayo at saka nakatakip?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, because this might set a precedent for all other witnesses we will call here. They will request that their faces be covered. He is a public government employee. Bakit siya nagtatago?
And a resource person, not a witness.
That was the question I was raising kanina, Mr. Chair. Hindi pala tayo nagkaintindihan. Bakit na nakatakip yung mukha ni Ginoong Pakanan?
Akala ko naman, si Maria sa si Joy.
Your Honor, it's my request po as the good chair stated a while ago for my protection po. And security po.
Pero nasa kulungan ka na ngayon. You're in detention right now, di ba? Aren't you in detention already?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, I don't see the basis for his request. I do not see it as valid. How can he? Maybe he's protecting himself from shame. Baka nahihiya siya dun sa mga kasamahan niya o kung sino kaya ayaw maipakita yung kanyang
Ano
mukha.
talaga ang dahilan bakit kayo nakatakip? Ako, nakita ko lang isang posibleng dahilan. Baka sa future mga police lineup, makilala kayo. Is that it? Or any other reason?
The main reason, Mr. Chair, I am begging the indulgence of all the good senator for my protection since the case is already pending before the Sindigan-Bayan and there's no judgment over it. So I'll be incriminated by whatever action against me.
So, natatakot ka na baka ito, public hearing, meron makakilala sa'yo at magreklamo pa laban sa'yo dahil nakilala ka. Ganun ba yun?
No, Your Honor. In fact, Your Honor, andito po ako to honor your subpoena.
Yeah, I know that.
Opo.
Ang tanong namin, hindi yung presence mo, bakit ka tama si Senator Pangilinan, ano? It could set a bad precedent. Baka lahat ng witnesses namin, resource person, nakatalukbong. At hindi namin papayagan, unfair yun.
Your Honor, I will comply naman po kung ano po ang sasabihin
I think,
ninyo.
yeah, that's the ruling of the chair. Kindly expose your face.